Literature review with SciSpace, a step-by-step guide. Embarking on a literature review is often the first and one of the most challenging steps in academic research. Traditionally, it demands countless hours of reading, organizing, and synthesizing information from a wide range of scholarly sources. It's a time-consuming process, but today artificial intelligence is transforming how researchers tackle this task. One standout tool is SciSpace, an AI-powered platform built specifically to support academics in managing, writing, and publishing their research. SciSpace simplifies the literature review process with intelligent features designed to help researchers work faster, stay organized, and gain deeper insights across disciplines. To use SciSpace specifically, it's essential to understand the role and the value of literature review. A literature review is more than a summary of existing research. It critically evaluates and synthesizes scholarly work related to a specific topic. It helps establish the theoretical background, identifies research gaps, and supports the justification for the current study. SciSpace is built to help researchers navigate the vast and often overwhelming sea of academic literature with precision. At the core of its offering is a massive database of hundreds of millions of research papers and a set of tools designed to help users uncover meaningful insights and connections between studies. Key features include a context-aware semantic search engine, AI-powered summarization tool, custom data extraction columns, multilingual support, personal library for organization, and smart AI assistant called Copilot. These tools are purpose-built to enhance academic workflows, making SciSpace a specialized alternative to more general AI platforms. To bring this to life, let's walk through a practical example. Imagine a student researching the impacts of social media on adolescent mental health. With thousands of studies out there, the challenge lies in finding, understanding, and synthesizing the most relevant literature. This scenario will serve as our backdrop as we explore how to use SciSpace effectively step by step. The first step in any literature review is finding the right papers, and SciSpace semantic research makes this easy. Instead of matching exact keywords, it understands natural language questions like how does social media impact adolescent mental health, and returns relevant articles with summaries and citations. Powerful filters help narrow results by date, journal, impact, and access type. Standout feature trace the paper reveals citation networks, showing both the reference a paper cites and those that cite it, making it easier to explore connections and build a solid search foundations. After finding relevant papers, the next step is extracting key insights, something SciSpace handles with ease. Its AI generates quick TLDR summaries and detailed overviews so researchers can understand papers without reading every word. Users can upload PDFs and use extract data to pull out specific details like methods or results into a structured table, making comparisons across studies simple and efficient. SciSpace also explains complex terms, tables, or questions on the spot. With its Chrome extension, these tools work even outside the platform directly on journal sites or databases. SciSpace also lets users create custom columns in their research library. User-defined fields like mental health outcomes or age range. The AI fills in the fields from each paper, making it easy to spot patterns and compare studies. This flexibility allows for a more focused, tailored analysis based on specific research needs. SciSpace offers major benefits for literature reviews, especially in saving time and improving accuracy. It extracts key details like methods, database, and limitations so researchers can focus on analysis, not just reading. This speeds up gap identification and question development. Its consistent structure supports a clear, organized review process. With multilingual support and Copilot real-time help, SciSpace also makes global research more accessible and academic content easier to understand. Speaking of Copilot, this intelligent AI assistant is a standout feature. It explains complex text equations or data tables in real time, just highlighting a section. This boosts understanding without breaking your workflow. Copilot also gives citation-based answers and suggestions follow-up questions for deeper exploration. With the browser extension, it supports goes wherever you read academic content. SciSpace library features help us manage research with ease. Users can save papers, organize them into folders, start important ones, and sort by date, title, or last access. This keeps high-value studies accessible and the review process well organized. Language should never be a barrier in academic, and SciSpace acknowledges this with its real-time translation capabilities. Researchers can translate entire papers into their preferred language and engage with Copilot in their native tongue, even if the source text is in English. This inclusively expands access to non-English literature and empowers researchers worldwide to conduct more comprehensive and globally aware literature reviews. To get the most from SciSpace, start with clear research questions and use filters to narrow results. Use custom columns and data extraction for easy comparisons, and organize your library with folders and starts. Let Copilot clarify top sections and guide deeper exploration. Always verify AI outputs with the original text. Use trace the paper to follow citation paths and try the translation and deep review features for broader, richer insights. Export your findings to collaborate or share with ease. In summary, SciSpace revolutionized the literature review process with smart tools like thematic search, AI summaries, custom extraction, multilingual support, and Copilot. Whether you are a student or seasoned researcher, it streamlines your workflow and deepens your insights. Even the free version offers powerful features to boost your research. Try SciSpace and expertise faster, smarter way to engage with academic literature.